Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today we are going to see how to make video call on Discord app. How to make video call on Discord. So I'm going to show you on my browser. You can follow the same step on your mobile and iOS also Android phone. So let's start with the video. So this is will be short video. So before you start, I'm requesting you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with video. So guys, this is my interface of the Discord. Before you start video call, you have to make sure your video yes, video or preview or video camera working properly. So first you have to go in settings, and here you have to click on this video and voice and video, and here you can see your device is connected or not. If a device is connected, you can click on this test video, then this video will be appear, your front camera will be appear. I don't have device here connected, so I can't show you because I don't have connected device. So if you are not connected device, you have to connect by click here, and you have to select the device and test, make sure test video, then your video will be appear here. Okay, now go back, and here you can see I have group, I have channel where I log in. Okay, so this channel you can't make the video call. Okay, so here I have a individual, this guy. I don't have this is my not friend, this is not connection, this is not my connection. I just add the one. Okay, so here you can make the voice call, video call, by clicking here. You have to click here, the video call will start. You have to, you can mute the mic, or you can mute the video also while after starting camera, after starting video. Okay, so that is how you can make the video call. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.